Magandang hapon po na September 15, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 15, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, September 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for September 15, 2024 Sunday. Here are the tonight jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for Sunday, September 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 15, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.